Hello everyone, this is Luke. Today I will show you how we can replace shortcuts with text. This is useful if you use iMessage a lot and often type the same phrases. It's simple and only takes a few clicks. So let's open Settings, click on General, scroll down and you will see a keyboard option. Open it, and the second option here is text replacement. Click on it, then tap the plus icon in the top right and create a new phrase. For example, I will set I love you as a phrase, and as a shortcut I type Ili. Press save, and now let's test it. Open iMessage, start a new message and type Ili, and as you can see is automatically expand. So for me this is quite useful. Thank you for watching. If I help you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.